Last month, an investor called me. He had a $4.2 million apartment deal under contract. The clock was ticking. His bank had just told him, after 8 weeks, that they couldn't get it done. He wasn't looking for a loan anymore. He was looking for someone to tell him the truth. I'm Kevin Kermeen with 75bizloans.com. I'm a commercial loan broker, but that title doesn't mean much until you understand what I actually do. I don't work for a bank. I don't push one product. I look at your deal, the property, the borrower, the timeline, the exit, and I find the right lender out of dozens that actually fits. Sometimes that's a bridge loan in 21 days. Sometimes that's an SBA 504 with a 60-day close. Sometimes it's a 30-year fixed commercial mortgage. The deal tells me what the deal needs. Here's the range, and I want you to hear this clearly because most brokers don't say it out loud. $150,000 to $100 million. That's not a typo. From a 5-plex in a working-class neighborhood to a $100 million multifamily complex, I have lenders for both and everything in between. Industrial buildings, warehouses, medical offices, med spas, strip malls, service contractor shops, flex buildings, self-storage, gun shops, auto repair facilities, even owner-user buildings where you operate the business out of the property you own. If it's commercial real estate and it generates income, or it's about to, there's a path. Let me tell you what most people get wrong about commercial real estate financing. They think there's one loan, there isn't. There are dozens, and the difference between the right one and the wrong one isn't just the rate. It's whether the deal closes at all. A short-term commercial bridge loan is built for speed. 6 to 24 months, interest only. You use it when the bank is too slow or the property needs work. An SBA 504 loan is built for the business owner buying the building they operate out of. 10% down, 25-year amortization, below market rates. A conventional commercial mortgage is built for income-producing property, 5, 10, 15, 20, or 30 years. Rental investment properties, office buildings, industrial. A ground-up construction loan is built for developers. Loan to cost up to 85%. Interest only during construction. Then it converts or it refinances into permanent debt. Each one has a place. Each one has a wrong place. That's the part nobody explains. Here's who calls me buyers. First-timers and seasoned investors, commercial real estate agents and brokers when their client's bank fell through and the closing is in 2 weeks. I've saved more deals than I can count. Lenders who hit a wall. Sometimes a portfolio bank can't structure a piece of the deal. I find the lender who can. Second opinions. You have a term sheet in hand and something feels off. Send it to me. I'll tell you what I see. Free. Anyone with a referral, accountants, attorneys, real estate agents, business consultants, if your client needs commercial property financing, I'd rather you ask than guess. I'll be honest with you, I don't close every deal that comes across my desk. Sometimes the numbers don't work, sometimes the borrower isn't ready, sometimes the timing is wrong. And when that's the case, I'll tell you, because the worst thing a broker can do is waste your time on a deal that won't close. My job isn't to sell you a loan. My job is to tell you whether the deal makes sense, which lender fits, what the realistic terms look like, and what your timeline actually is. That's it. No pressure, no commission chasing, just the truth about your deal. If you have a deal, or you think you might, call me. Send me the basics: property type, purchase price, your timeline, where you stand on credit and equity. I'll look at it, tell you what I see, and tell you whether I can help. No application fees, no upfront cost, no pressure. Apply free at 75bizloans.com or call me direct. Kevin Kermeen, 480-915-8690, 7 days a week. Don't beg a bank. Get the deal done right.